And welcome you once again in this new topic, that is adjective. It means describing words. We will read about your book work and you have to complete this. So now let's start with adjective. Types of adjective. Adjective of quality, that is what kind. Adjective of quantity, how much or how many. Demonstrative means pointing out. Then interrogative means the question asked. With what, which, whose. Then possessive means it's, my, yours, his, hers. And proper adjective, these forms from proper noun. Now underline these adjectives. See, first one is given here. First, migratory. You have to underline the adjective migratory. Then our, possessive. Then 100, numbers. Then these, demonstrative. Feeding, quantity. Quality. Harsh, quality. Native, quality. And bad is then second one, third one, it's your homework. Clear? Now we will move to our next exercise, that is exercise B. Complete these sentences with the suitable adjectives. Now, Lata could hear her sons agitating. Second, Mandrake the magician was enthralled generation of people with his amazing tricks. Then third one, we have a number of satisfying customers. The increasing number of dengue patients are cause of worry. Fifth, they have just received a very distressing bit of information. Sixth one is, what a tiring journey it was. Seventh, the needle of suspicion points towards the bearded man. Eighth, a loaded truck crushed into the electric pole. Ninth, it was engaging conversation that we had with Mr. Pichai. Engaging. Then the 10th one is it is the age of sophisticated electronic device. Then the fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives. The first one is irate. Second one is Moksha has opened a spa in a rickety neighborhood. It's a Rickety. Then the third one is Vidit drove a swanky, Swanky, swanky. Then the fourth one is Manisha and Jyoti had a heated, heated argument. Then fifth one is lives Harish lives in an upscale Sandy will direct will take a direct flight of Sydney. Then seventh one is Mumbai is the financial capital, FINANCIAL, financial capital. Then eighth one is Renu has often been appreciated for her innovative, for her N-O, innovative. Then ninth, Devang is such a voracious, Voracious, voracious reader of novels. Then tenth one is the wise sage. Now fill in the gap with the interrogative possessive. First one is which. Second one is Andy's tie is in his step bag. I quite like those. How are the shoes that I want to buy? Can you please pack those shoes? The best fries are sold at the outer near my house. Now, sixth one is Mitali, whose aunt is clinical psychologist, lives in another city. Seventh, she crashed her car into the gate. Eighth, whose house are you going to, Sunil or Dhiraj? And do you see my kite? Which one? The one that is red with a long tail. And tenth one is the Johnson have sold their house and shifted to the outskirts of the city. Then fill in the blanks with the adjective of quantity of numbers. The first one is the sum. There are some. Then the rooms around freely in the area of few residents. Then as a result, some dogs have become very healthy and active. The dogs are a nuisance as they pack to the people. Then senior citizen in a particular and the terrified of them were several residents had complained the secretary, but nothing much has happened. Many people have been approached the police. Then I think to five people there, and there are enough, or you can say many problems in the area because of this menace of stray dogs. Now match the word in the column. So see here, columns are there. First, brightly lit, record breaking, cross country, 80 story, absent minded, mouth watering, world famous, heart pending, slow moving, French speaking, middle aged. Then man eating, never ending, skin deed. So you have to fill this. Okay, now this is the exercise. Fill in the gaps with the adjectives. So now we have to fill these adjectives with we have some sugar left, but the little sugar that is there. Then is there any? Third one is there is so much pollution. Fourth is the train has stopped by many people for demanding justice. The test had to be cancelled because of a few children turned up. Then eighth one is there was a major traffic jam at the intersection last night, and many vehicles were struck from the good 5 hours. Then the little sum. Eighth is he has been working since morning. Let him rest for a little while. Are there some? Now this you have to learn suffixes. Okay, now exercise H. It is your homework. First one is explaining here the professor. It's a fill in the gaps with the adjective form in the bracket, that is in the patient's patient. Okay, now the this is also your homework. The first one is given here. The teacher message was a clear as a bell. Now exercise D. A diamond poem is written in a 7 lines. So subject, it is described into two nouns where it is written in the format, it forms the shape of a diamond. The format is written in a diamond poem in a given below. Okay. So dad, rock, strong, patient, helping, encouraging, motivating. Dad is dad, mom is mom, planning, working, loving, witty, helpful, mom. So it's a day, sunny day, bright day, playing day, sweating day, burning sunlight day, darkness. And dad is a patient, he's intelligent, helping, encouraging, motivating, witty, helpful, mom. And now it's what you have to learn. So complete all this work in your book. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.